Dumelang Dintang, it's me, your girl, Open to make it tea. If it is your first time on my channel, please click the subscribe button to be part of the family. And if you're a 10 subscriber, I really like Dagila. Welcome back, bo baby, bo Zali, bo sweary. You know you're at you're at the right place because you here. Like we put out the Pentelicious family. Okay guys. So I'm starting a new vlog and Nkatele. Let's just start with Nkatele.
Hayi wish engiphila njengamanje.
But yeah, I'm just starting a new vlog. I don't know what's gonna happen in this vlog, but yes guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we're on the road to 500 subscribers. I hope you subscribe, because what do you mean unsubscribe? What do you mean? Please don't mind my morning cast, but what do you mean unsubscribe? Like subscribe, Romela, Andira Khadi Malume, your cousin, your niece, your nephew. Send them a link to subscribe to my channel, then watch the videos together as a family. Because why not? Why not? Why not? Okay, so I'll see you guys throughout the vlog. Hope you enjoy.
You're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you.
Yeah. This is what we got from China Mom. Got a bonnet for my braids, like a long one, a jumbo one for my braids. I've been looking for one, so I finally found one. Then because living in South you cannot timber, so I got, my friends recommended and I listened. Pulani and Amira, guys, if you're watching this, comment down you're proud of me because I listened to you guys. So I got pepper spray. Not taking chances, okay? Like, okay, I don't know how it works, I'm not gonna lie. So that's how it looks. Yeah, that's how it looks. Okay, I hope this thing's focusing. That's how it looks. Yeah. I wanna see.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah, that's how it works.
So yes, I pepper sprayed myself with tear gas pepper spray.
And
I don't know what I was thinking, but I thought pepper spray had a scent, like it's gonna smell like vanilla or like strawberry.
God help me. Ow! How? Kanjan, Maj! Kanjan.
I learned the hard way. I definitely learned the hard way. I couldn't taste for a good 2 weeks. Like I couldn't taste my food for a good 2 weeks, guys. Let's leave things to those that know best. Because now, if someone tries to kidnap me, I know how it feels. And when I pepper spray you, I'm not gonna feel bad for you. Because why are you kidnapping me? So yeah, I pepper sprayed myself. Yeah. Cishe ngafa guys. Cishe ngafa. Cishe ngafa. Kodwa uNkulunkulu athi mntanami hayi namhlanje mntanami. Ngikuthanda loads ukuthi wena uhambe kamanje. So yeah, I learned my lesson. I'm doing better now. The coughing has stopped. Yeah. Okay guys, so basically I want to show you guys the bag that I got for school at China Mall, because literally I don't know why that lady put it in such a small bag. Like she bought my bag. Like, this is my bag, my new bag for school. That's how it looks. See, I'll be there on campus. I'll be there. Hi guys. Yeah, I'm going to class. Like, I have morning classes today. bag so much, guys. I love it. I even want to add like a keychain or a key holder. I don't know. Since now I have my student card, I'm gonna be like tapping my student card. I need the round neck thingy. Like, I'm so excited. Like, you guys don't understand. I'm so excited. But yeah, that's my bag. When it has books inside, it's gonna look nicer. Cause like it makes sense. Like, I love the space. The space makes sense. Like, that's how big it is. You see? Yeah, my lunch can even fit in here. Cause those that know, I'm a girly that eats. I'm a Kimba. I eat. So yes, I approve. I definitely approve.
No more. See my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more. No more. You had me. You made me like this. I gave you all my heart, and all you did was tear it up. Looking at my wings.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call but and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy. But I've been drinking so much, I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that.
That's so good. Hi guys. Okay, it's fine. I think I'm in bed. Hi guys. So we're vlogging because, you know, I don't know.
Found, and since you picked up, I know he's not around.
This is the sheet for passport, and you put your cards and stuff.
Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you do better. You'll start hating only if you make it. Cups of the XO. All my people been here.
Hi guys. So we're in Zara shopping. Yeah, with our friends. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's a new day in the vlog. Yeah, so I'm sure you guys what we got from Mr. Price yesterday when I was with the mirror at Santon City. So I got this phone holder from Mr. Price. Mr. Price is the girl she thinks she is because Mr. Price be eating it up. Mr. Price be eating it up guys. Like, Mr. Price, you know, it's giving other shops around for their money. It's giving Typo around for its money because this. Wait, why aren't you focusing? This. Yeah, okay, I love the blue and blue. That blue's not my favorite color. So this is how like it looks. This is how the phone stand is. Like, it's pink. Like, I mean, I want you guys to see the detailing. Yes, that's what I want. I want you guys to see the detailing on it. Then it's just rose gold here. So you can have it straight up like this. You can have it like this. You can touch like this. Then when you just put it back, it's like this. Then you see the holes here. Here. Then it just goes back like that. So that's pretty much my phone holder. I love it because like everything is pink, guys. Everything's pink. A lot of things are pink in my room. Like, my holder is pink. My fan is pink. Like, my bag is pink. My phone case is pink. My lamp is pink. It just shows I'm a pink girly. So I just want to show you guys that. I love it. Guys, like, I'm gonna be using it all the time. I'm gonna be abusing it. So yeah, I just want to update you guys on like that's the mini things that I got yesterday. Yeah, nothing hectic. Nothing much, and this was only 50 rand at Mr. Price. I don't know if you look for it, if it'll still be there, but the prices are going down because I think they're having a sale and everything. Yeah, so Mr. Price ate. Mr. Price girly, she ate. She ate that. She ate that. Yeah. Hey guys, so there's a couple of.
Escolhe! Uronyaka! Sazonyesha my exam foods. Too much.
It's a couple of hours later. Yeah. So I'm sure you guys what my mom called me. My Chipiaka. Like, that's my girl. She's my girl. Like, this is what she got me. And she knows I've been wanting this for a long
long time. Like, this is my pre-birthday gift. Love these. Love them. Unboxing and plasticing. Ooh, I got my slippers. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Pink is my favorite color, guys know. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm just so happy.
Tomorrow.
Hi guys, it's Red Campus. It's Melanie. Can you come in the frame?
Hello.
So yeah, we have ITTT like in a few minutes. Yeah. I thought it was gonna be cold, but
There's this dog on campus.
Where's your girlfriend? Huh? Your girlfriend?
There's another one. Guys, and word of advice, just don't join at uni.
That's fine.
Yeah, you don't chow at all. Chow at all. I don't want girlfriend. Guys, openly.
The sun is hitting his bosom. What?
but yeah, see you guys later.
The next day.
Split mind, no need an assignment. Straightforward, eyes on the climbing. On your side, no matter the climate. Burning bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay him beside me. Hey time, chasing a rewind. Hey time, I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you and me. I need your attention, just scrutiny. Squeezing too tight, boy, you lose me. Boy, you lose.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call but it go. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy. I've been drinking so much, I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck me.
Here's Kulani. Here's Kuleng.
Still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying you can do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you can do better. And you'll start hating only if you make it. Cups of the XO. All my people been here. I see all of my friends here. Guess she don't have the time.
Many months later.
slick cash flow. Catch up with around me, nigga. Ain't no playing when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my phone goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills. And they wonder for the boy right now. Goddamn, what it time, what it kill. Feel what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed. That's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Bitch, you wanna fuck me? Bitch, you wanna love me down. Can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no one.
So guys, basically this is the end of the video. Just hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. I'm definitely gonna be uploading. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cause why not? Subscribe. Subscribe. Show me. Subscribe. Enjoy. Yeah. Okay. Bye.